Does your cellar feel damp, musty, or even smell like mold? In this video, I'll show you effective ways to reduce humidity in your cellar and keep it dry and healthy. High humidity can lead to mold, wood rot, rust, and unpleasant odors. Over time, it can damage your storage items and even affect your home structure. The first step is to measure your cellar's humidity with a hygrometer. Ideally, you want levels below 60% to prevent moisture problems. If your cellar has windows, open them periodically to improve airflow. Good ventilation helps reduce trapped moisture. One of the most effective solutions is using a dehumidifier. It extracts excess moisture from the air and keeps the environment dry. Check your cellar walls and floors for cracks or leaks. Seal them with waterproof materials to stop outside moisture from seeping in. Adding a vapor barrier to your cellar walls or floors can prevent ground moisture from entering and raising humidity levels. Avoid storing items directly on the floor. Use shelves and moisture absorbers like silica gel or charcoal to keep stored items dry. For long-term results, consider adding insulation, installing a sump pump if you have water seepage, and maintaining proper drainage outside your home. Follow these steps and you'll greatly reduce cellar humidity, protect your belongings, and improve your home's air quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home improvement tips.